Hi, my name is Mark Louis Makiling, and I'm a licensed medical technologist with over 2 years of experience in the clinical laboratory field. Throughout my career, I've developed not only a strong technical and diagnostic skills, but also a solid foundation in the administrative and financial processes that support the laboratory's operation. As a part of our lab team, I've been responsible for handling and verifying laboratory charges, coordinating with the billing departments, and ensuring accurate postings of services, which has sharpened my eyes for detail and introduced me to the accounting side of healthcare. I'm also proficient in Microsoft Excel, where I've used it for everything from tracking inventory and reagent usage to generating charge logs and reconciling test counts with billing reports. In addition, I've undergone intensive trainings in insurance processes, giving me hands-on knowledge in claims handling, medical billing, pre-authorizations, and reimbursements procedure. This has given me a well-rounded perspective on how clinical, administrative, and financial workflows all connect in the healthcare system. I'm excited to bring my unique combination of lab expertise, analytical skills, and billing knowledge to a new opportunity where I can continue learning and contributing to a dynamic team. Thank you very much for considering my application, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.